Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use diced cheese, only way. Start by washing hands and prepping a clean cutting board, then measure portions you need for one meal. Use a sharp knife to trim edges and ensure even pieces for cooking or topping. Keep extras chilled in an airtight container and label with the date so you use the oldest first for best flavor and safety. Warm and helpful, here are cooking tips for diced cheese that really work in home kitchens. Use low heat and add the cheese toward the end so it melts evenly and stays creamy rather than oily. Stir gently and pair with tomatoes or vinegar to cut richness when needed. For baked dishes, sprinkle diced cheese on top in the last 5 minutes to brown without overcooking the base. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep bringing practical tips your way. Quick recommendation. Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. I use it in the kitchen when prepping and it saves trips to the sink. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve diced cheese in creative ways that delight guests and family alike. Scatter it over salads or soups for a pop of flavor and visual appeal, or fold it into omelets for creamy pockets of richness. For casual gatherings, add diced cheese to charcuterie or snack trays with fruit, nuts, and crackers so everyone can customize bites. Simple plating makes a big impression without extra fuss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.